So Barry, tell me about the stabilizer links in the TTX brand.
Well, the TTX brand, we really take it up a notch and think about the installation as well as how long it lasts. We start with the rod that it's made out of. It's a solid rod. We double crimp it and we weld it on there so the ends of these will not come up. This stabilized link will not bend. We've also made it out of a hexagon material. That way, when the technician's installing it and he needs to put a wrench, he doesn't have a designated flat spot somewhere on there to give it a little extra turn to line it up. Normally with regular stabilized links, they come in a round form that you need a pipe wrench or your hand or something, and you're greasy, you're slipping. So that, we take that an extra mile. But specifically on the ends, Austin, when it comes down to Mevotech design, the TTX, that stabilized link end is made exactly like a ball joint. It's got the sintered metal bearing, it's got the Integra boot in there, it's got the seal technology, so dirt can't get in there. But what I really like what Mevotech has done is they've made an octagon head on the end of it. Mevotech engineers specifically use that design because then they target the easiest spot to service that stabilized link. So there might be something in the way, so they'll pinpoint the easiest spot for a tech or a do-it-yourselfer and drill and put the grease fitting in the most optimized spot to service. A lot of times they're put on the back of the stabilized links, and you know a stabilizer bar is going to be in the way, a piece of exhaust might be in the way, or they're reaching up and they're bending arms that are just not supposed to be that way. So those are the key components that really stand out with TTX. Your Repel Tech technology, and Mevotech has done a wonderful job on that. You will not damage this stabilized link. It's when you look at it on the box, it looks like tank armor.
Especially compared to the OE one, right? Because the OE design is much thinner, and some manufacturers from OE even make them out of plastic, which is definitely not going to last, right?
It goes back to the lightweighting that you talked about earlier. Their lightweighting, there's some manufacturers have gone to plastic cups, plastic bushing inside that. It's crazy.